Alrighty then. Here is our Progresso. Screen panels are up. I have the rest of my screws. They were supposed to come here today, and I ran out of stainless steel screws, the white stainless steel screws. So, gonna screw down all of those corners. Gonna screw down all of those corners on our next visit. I'm assuming Monday. And I left a way to get in. Well, I didn't leave a way to get in. We're coming back to do the last screen. And I'll get the indoor-outdoor carpet and cut that in. We vacuumed the floor real nice. Ta-da!